this video, let's take a look at the equity basket section under the investor category. Equity Baskets offers a curated collection of specific ready-made baskets. Based on your requirement, select a basket of your choice. For example, let's select ModernAlgos' Dividend Earned Basket, which is suitable for investors who wish to have consistent dividend income and invest in quality stocks. Here, the minimum investment required is also mentioned. Upon selecting the basket, its performance in comparison to the benchmark in the last 6 months, 1 year, and 2 years can be viewed, as well as its performance ratios. Then, select your investment tenure and enter the investment amount. Click on Show MAE Stock Weightage to see the list of stocks and the investment amounts required in each of them. Other key features of the basket that you can view here are top stock holdings, top 5 sectors weightage, and market cap weightage. Click on Execute Basket to successfully trade your basket. Moving forward, under the equity dashboard, you will be able to track the performance of your basket. So happy investing with ModernAlgos.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.